This is part 2 of creating a shooter game in Scratch. Now, let's see what we have so far. We have this shooter game, we can shoot some enemies, but I'm noticing something right now. The movement isn't really that smooth, so let's add movement that's really smooth. Go to variables on the left of your screen. Make a variable called speed. Make it for all sprites. When green flag clicked, put this here. Set speed to 0. And now we're gonna change one up arrow pressed, change speed by 5. One down arrow pressed, change speed by -5. Now we have to make speed 2, or actually let's call it speed X. So speed X will be for the Y, and speed X will be for X, and speed will be for Y. So we also have to set this to 0. And now we change speed X by -5. And we change this again, speed X by 5. So it won't work yet. What we have to do now, we have to forever change speed, change speed X by X position and Y position, and then go over here, set speed X to speed X times 0.9. Now you duplicate this, take this out, go to here, and now we should have smoother movement, but still this is here, so we take this out. Oh no, I added arrow keys. Okay, so now we duplicate this and we make WASD. Okay, so W S A D. Okay, so oh no, actually I made a mistake. We don't change this. Change by X position. Okay. Speed, oh my gosh, I put the wrong variable. Speed X. Okay, it still doesn't work. Now let's see if this. Oh, I made a mistake. Change Y and change X by speed X and speed. Okay, that's the mistake. Now, oh my, that's fast. Make everything like 2. -2, -2, 2, 2, 2, -2. -2. Now, this is our new and improved movement. It's still fast, so I'm gonna change it to 1. That's goof. -1, 1, 1, -1, -1, 1. Okay. It's still fast, but Okay, again, 0.5, negative 0.5, negative 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, negative 0.5, negative 0.5, negative 0.5. Okay, here we go. I know it's goofy. We forgot to add this back. Here we go. Now we're really slow, which is good, because we can't be fast. Also, set your size to like 80 because it's a bit big. And also, set your bullet to 80. I mean your blaster. And I would recommend redesigning your game a little bit, because it doesn't really look good right now. Okay, now we're gonna add player health systems. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna hide these, make a new variable called PHP, which stands for player hit points. When green flag clicks, set PHP to 100. Okay, when green flag clicked, forever. If touching Sprite 2, which is our enemy, change health by negative PHP, not health, by -1. If PHP is lower than 1, broadcast is in events, new message, game over, which is saved for me. Okay, when I receive message, game over, we're gonna make a game over screen, which is not gonna be here. So make a new sprite, click paint, type game over. You could do any screen if you want, but I'm just gonna show you an example. Game over. And we're gonna cover the background in light blue. Okay, one green flag clicked, hide, go to 0, 0. Go to events, when I receive game over, show. Wait 1 second, stop all. So, there you go. Wait. Oh, I forgot to delete a script. See the script over here in player? If touching Sprite 2, then stop all. Delete this. Also, make PHP show. So now I have 100 health, and it slowly goes down, and then I get the game over screen. When I receive game over, hide the PHP variable. Show the PHP variable when the game starts. So here we go. We lose PHP, then we get game over, and then we can't do anything, so we restart. Okay. Now we're gonna add play enemy health. So this enemy is gonna be one tap, so we're gonna duplicate it and make an enemy that's gonna be a bit stronger. This enemy I'm gonna make, let's say, purple. And now we're gonna create a variable for this sprite only. It won't work if you do for all sprites. Do it enemy, so E, HP, enemy HP. Set one green flag click, set enemy HP to 3. This can be anything. If touching sprite 1, change enemy HP by -1, wait 0.05 seconds. If, go to operators, if enemy HP less than 1, then repeat 10 times in control. Go to looks, go to change color effect, but change color to ghost and 25 to 10. And then go to control and delete this clone under it. Go back to looks, go to clear graphics effects. Oh, it's already there, never mind. Okay, so now we have another enemy. With this guy, he takes more shots to kill. 1, 2, wait, did I make his HP 3? Sometimes it glitches, so it might not be 3, but still, it's an average of 2, so he still has more health. I'm gonna add a cool effect, so when the enemy gets hit by the bullet, its brightness goes up to 15, and then it sets it back to 0 after. There you go. I'm gonna get this, put it in here. Put this in here. Okay, so now we have this effect. Set brightness. Okay, here we go. We're gonna make this enemy a bit bigger and a bit slower. So it's gonna move 2 steps. And it's gonna do this. Before it spawns, we're gonna make a wave system. So we'll make the wave system in player. Make sure it's in player because it has all of your scripts. Waves. When green flag clicked, set wave to 0. When green flag clicked, forever. Wait 15. This can be any amount of time. Change waves by 1. Okay, so now go to the enemy sprite. Wait until wave is greater than 2. So what that means, if the wave is 3, which is greater than 2, it's gonna create a clone of itself and it's gonna wait 5 seconds to spawn again. We'll actually make this 7 because it's a stronger enemy. So double click waves if you want to change the layout of what it looks like. Move it to like there. And now here we go. We could kill these enemies. And now it's damaging us. That works. Now it's wave 1. See, it changed. Wave 3. Now see, it's wave 3 and the purple guys spawned. But now, see, they're slower. They have more HP than the green guys. And that's basically what we have so far. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna polish up the sprites and make them look a bit better. And then we're gonna add an upgrade system. Okay, so now this will give him a shiny effect. This will draw like a black line in the middle for no reason. Now he looks kind of shiny. Now the enemy will also give him a shiny effect. Make a line, make the line like white. Go to the select tool and do that. This one, maybe we'll add a little like line, like because he's mad kind of. There you go. Now let's just polish up the background. Let's add some stuff to it. I'll fast forward this in the video. Okay, so I did the little like background. It's pretty nice. Now let's get into the upgrade section, but first I'm gonna name all my sprites. Bullet, game over, E2, E1, enemy 1, enemy 2. Now we make a new sprite, name it shop. Okay, now I'm just gonna design a little shop screen, so it might take a bit. I'm gonna make it kind of like a jungle theme shop. So I'm gonna do dark green borders. It's gonna say shop, of course. Shop. Now we make it dark. Now to avoid the glitch, the visual glitch, put an outline of an invisible barrier. Now here we go. This lines matches our game pretty good. So this position will be where our shop is, right here. Now we put in these coordinates. When green flag clicked, go to that position. That's a good position. When the sprite clicked, broadcast shop. When I receive shop, make a variable called pause, so we could like pause the game. Set pause to yes. Make a new message called close shop. Set pause to no. Now to add some cool effects, forever, if touching mouse pointer, set size to 120, else set size to 110. So it goes bigger. Make this like 100, the Y, because it's kind of off-centered. Now it goes bigger, and then see pauses yes when you click it. Now when green flag clicks, set pause to no. And now go here. If pause equals no, put this in here. If pause equals no, if pause equals no, put in basically almost everything. So if the pause is off, everything can run. If pause equals no, put this in everything. Okay, so if pause equals no, put in game over. Okay, this we don't need pause in. If pause equals no, pause equals no. Put in this one too. If pause equals no. If pause equals no. There we go. So everything should run fine, and then I can't move. Wait, I put this here. If pause, there you go. I can't move anything when pause equals yes. Okay. Now make another sprite and name it shop C, so shop catalog, and basically this will just broadcast where the shop will be. Usually I just like put a big like square and then I ran off the edges with the select tool. Maybe I do this sometimes. This also looks pretty cool. Okay. When green flag clicked, hide. When I receive shop, go to 0, 0. Show. When I receive close shop, hide. Now we make an X button. Just get an X. There you go. Hold shift to make a perfect X. Get black. Actually get like white. Make the X sticker too. Make sure that each side perfectly aligns. Okay, there we go. Okay, now when I receive shop, show. When I receive close shop, hide. When green flag clicked, hide. When I receive shop, we'll make it like there. That's a good position. When I receive 199, 138, go to 199, 138. Okay, there we go. And now go to the shop button and import this script into here. So now if it like goes bigger when you click it. Now let's do the coding to make it so that the shop can be closed when this sprite clicked. Broadcast close shop. There we go. So everything runs perfectly fine after. Our game's starting to look complete. We have our shop. We just need to add our upgrades, which we'll do in the next video. Our shop works. Maybe we'll improve this button next video too. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for part 3. Sub.